welcome back to another video. It's your girl Adora. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay guys, welcome back. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. Thank you for every new subscriber in the building. Thank you guys, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you for coming back. If this is your first time on my channel, please don't make it your last. Okay, we love you here, we love your support, we love your likes, your comments, your shares, and we're so grateful for that. Okay, so I don't know about you guys, Sha, but I came into 2023 with a goal, and I really wanted to, increase the thickness, the length, the density of my hair. Because I don't know, my hair has gone through some things in the past years, but we're on the other side of the road. Okay, so for me, I had some strategies which I was mentioning about in the previous video about the strategies I have to actually grow my hair really long this year. So if you have such a goal, and please do keep on watching, okay? Because on this channel we're determined to make sure that we ace our goals. So in my previous video I talked about why I love scalp massage, the benefits of scalp massage, and how it's going to help me to achieve these three goals that I have this year, which is thickness, density, and length. Okay, I'm being a bit dramatic, but please, I want it that way. I want it that way. Like, I feel like I'm being too calm in my videos and you guys are not taking me seriously. So I want to be a bit, I want to be out there. Hence the glasses. Okay. This one is not necessarily okay. So in this particular,
I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up all night. I think it's hard.
so yeah, where did I stop? This whole, because I'm sure this one is picking up some background noise. That's what corded mics are like. So I'm using my lab mic. So like I was talking about in my previous video, we focused on scalp massage as a tool to achieve our goal. So on this particular video, we're focusing on remoisturizing midweek, okay? Even if you're in a style. So typically this hair is 3 week old now. First of all, let's give it up for me, because one, I would never carry my hair for 3 weeks, but I'm trying something new. Okay, secondly, if I even carry it for that long, most of the time in previous years, because I'm already used to doing my hair every week, and maybe sometimes every 4 days, most of the time I find out that I don't get to moisturize my hair, and guess what? Dryness republic. Now this year, and in fact last year, started last year, in fact since I cut my hair, but especially this year, I have been very, very, very intentional about remoisturizing my hair, even if it's not yet time for me to do my hair. So I'm gonna remoisturize it and finger detangle it. Okay, now that I'm wearing a protective style, you might say, okay, how are you doing the moisturizing and finger detangling? I still do. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I do. But basically, I have 3 products that I use in remoisturizing my hair, or sometimes 4. Okay, sometimes 4. If this cord is going to let me walk around, I'm coming. Just a second. Okay, I'm back. Yeah. So I'm back. So I have 4 products that I use in remoisturizing my hair. See, I want to be hyper in this video. You know why? Because be like say, I know they like quiet people, so I don't want they quiet this particular video. Please forgive my pigeon. So 4 products that I use for my moisturizing routine. I use our daily hair and scalp spritz, and I'll use my leave-in, if I want to, buttercream, and then the oil. So during my scalp massage, I use two. I spray this to my scalp and I use this on my scalp, then I massage it in. Please, I'm going to link that video somewhere, or I'll put it in my description box, so just make sure you go and watch it. So but now that I'm remoisturizing the strands of my hair on a day, let's say I don't want to do a scalp massage but I want to remoisturize the strands of my hair, a lot of times people ask me when they come to the salon, this is what is in their maintenance kit, by the way. So when they come, they're like, okay, how do we remoisturize this our hair at home so that we don't scatter our style? I really believe I've been remoisturizing my hair for 3 weeks. I have. Okay, so there was something I did, because I'm just trying out this whole mini braid stuff, or midi braid, I don't know what you call mine, because it's not a lot of mini, it's not that mini, and this is even too mini for me, because I don't want to have this, you know. Next time I'll get something a little bit thicker so it's easy for me to take down, but like I'm trying it out. So what I'll do, they'll say, but we're wearing a style, and I don't want you to ruin your style, because I'm sure you've spent some money getting it in, right? So what I do is I tell them, you press. So you take a little bit of your leave-in, emulsify it in your hand, take a section of your hair and press it in. Okay? Press it in. So when you've pressed, this leave-in is divine. When you've pressed it in, then you take, oh, I forgot one step. First of all, please spritz. But because the leave-in is so good, I didn't even feel the difference. You spritz, everything will be in a pressing in motion. You apply the leave-in just like I have done, then you go in with your oil. Just a little, and press it in. Sometimes, most times than not, I like to go in with the buttercream, because it's a lot heavier. For me, I get more moisture seal from it, so you can just go in with a little at a time and press in. Say
hello. Hello. Press the product in.
Sure, carry my head. Okay, bye. Yeah, so you do that, you're done with that section, you take another section. You find out that when you moisturize your hair, it's kind of elongates a bit. This one is a bit stiff, so you go in with the, so this, you can use anything really. Water as the most basic of them. You know, sometimes I just like to not use plain water so I can get some supercharging. Your moisture starts with the leave-in, really. Some people will say, what I do is to reapply shea butter. Shea butter is nice, but please, if you can get in a leave-in first so that you can layer in that moisture, that would be amazing. Okay? So, I would press that in, go in with my buttercream, press it in. The result of this is that my hair is shinier and more malleable. It has movement at this time. We'll have some movement. Okay, so we're elongated just like this one. It's no longer standing stiff. So you repeat that all through your hair. I don't want to spoil my style. Okay, let me do here. see, if you can do this every day, if this is Harmattan season, please just do this every day. But if it's a season that isn't too dry, then you can do this every other day. Or do it as often as you know that your head needs it. So for me personally, I'm kind of seemingly avoiding my ends, only for one reason, because I put gel at the tips to elongate it, and I'm not ready. I moisturized my hair yesterday. I'm not ready to lose the curl, and I don't want to use more gel, so I want to leave it. I don't want to distort the curls at the end, hence the reason why I'm doing it. But please, you don't have to do that, because the ends are the oldest part of your hair and they need all that love and TLC, right? So pressing in is something. Oh, I've ruined my hair, guys. I've ruined my look. Yeah, so that's what you want to do basically. What this is going to help to do, this is going to ensure that the moisture level in your hair is maintained, at an optimal level, so that your hair doesn't get too dry and start to break off. It's also going to ensure malleability, like that the hair is pliable, it's moving, it's not just stiff. If I had done that to this one, you would see that this one will relax a little bit more, because it used to be in this ponytail and all of that. And if you want to wear your protective styles for a lot longer, you could just refresh the front, which is what I did. I'll put a video of me doing that. I did that a couple of days ago. I just refreshed my front, and the inside is still as raggedy as it was, but the front is looking nice. So I'm really proud of myself. I thought this hair was 2 weeks, but when my therapist came, she was telling me that it's 3 weeks already, and I'm so super proud of myself for wearing a protective style for 3 weeks. So what I do at night is to wrap it. I try to protect it. I'm not always wearing my hair out like this, because I'm doing this because of the video. So you guys should please give me a thumbs up. You guys should please comment in my comment section and tell me, Adora, you're doing well, you're trying, okay? And I basically don't like to wear my hair out a lot, so my hair is constantly protected by the grace of God, because we need to do that. So I'm going to talk about that in another video, because that's another plan I have, to actually go back and nail my goals, to go back to where we were coming from and even surpass it. Okay, so please, if this video helped you, I know it's very short, it's direct, but I mean, for crying out loud, why can't we do direct videos? If you haven't watched my previous video, please do watch it. I would love for you to just watch and enjoy that. And let's get our goals popping. Okay, so remoisturize your hair. There's not too much scientific backing to give you. We all know that moisturizing our hair is very key. Your hair is made up of protein and water. So after you've done your treatment, which most likely might include a protein treatment or a protein infused conditioner, then the next thing is moisture. You're getting the moisture when you did your steam treatment and all of that. But throughout the week, your hair loses water based on the fact that it's exposed to the elements, based on the fact that you're lying down on something. Even with the satin and silk, you're still, a bit of moisture is still being lost, and that is something that we should know. And so remoisturizing your hair only makes sense, because it only makes sense to replenish the moisture that the hair has lost, because your hair doesn't need protein all the time, but it needs moisture all the time. Water, our bodies love water, and so does our hair, especially for natural hair. I mean, we're not afraid of entering under the rain and all of those things. So, but you also want to make sure that the moisture is not overloaded, so that your hair doesn't go through high growth fatigue and then start to break. So for everything you're doing with your hair, as in balance is key. So my hair is not so mushy, but it is at a place where I know it's going to thrive for another day or more. Do you understand? So I'll probably just moisturize it much later. I got a package. Let me unbox. But yeah. So I hope you guys. Sorry, forgive the background noise. If I can do this in post-production to remove the noise in the background, I will definitely do that. But if I can't, please, it is as a result of having a dead mic at this time. That's why I wasn't able to film with the other mic. So but next time I'm going to try to do this. I miss having this wire around. I really do miss this setup and all of that. I hope you do enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if this is your first time, please don't make it your last, and if you're a returning subscriber, please, love you. Thank you for keeping this channel, thank you for engaging this channel, and thank you for keeping us, rambling for what to do. Okay, thank you so much. I enjoy making content for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do. Bye, see you in my next video.
Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go.